Guess Magwabe, she will learn to mind her own business this time. Magwabe, she's not here to build any friendship. As for Magwabe, I really feel sorry. The way Magwabe was so rude to Magwabe. Anyway, guys, let's get to start of today. Now, the rest of the house is Samani Peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Uthandonesthembu season 8, episode 6. So they've already posted the trailer. Uthandonesthembu season 8. So guys, we see Magwabe and Mamkhumalo. They were just having a dinner. So Mamkhumalo went on to say, "I'm just happy that here there are no talks about you leaving." Magwabe was like, "Say who? Ushoban." Guys, we know that Magwabe's storyline is leaving. She cannot change that. From season 1, we are now on season 8. Magwabe, she has been saying that she's leaving. Wife number 5, she has arrived. Magwabe, she's still saying that she's leaving. Guys, now we know that Magwabe, she's not going anywhere. So people are saying that the way Magwabe, she's so rude, Utobile needs to learn to mind her own business. Although she's trying to build a friendship with Musamsaleko's wife, sometimes it's not necessary. She can see these people, they don't like her. She needs to learn to stay away and mind her own business, guys. You know, Utobile, Pasama saying that Utobile, she has started doing her investigation, Utobile, she's known for going around asking people if she hears something, she'll go to Mayeni, to Magdala, and sometimes these people, they become rude to her because they see that there's no need for you to ask these questions. Some of the questions need to be asked by our husband, Musamsaleko, guys. Some were saying that Utobile, she's playing deputy president, and they don't like the other wives, Anyway, guys, tell me a conversation. What do you think about Magwabe? You guys, on Magwabe, guys. One thing about Magwabe, she's doing her own things. If there's one thing which really needs to learn from Magwabe is that Magwabe, guys, she's minding her own business. She doesn't like to be around people. She just want to be alone. Even Musamsaleka, sometimes she get bored whenever she see Musamsaleka coming to her house. So a person like that, just know that they don't need you. You need to stay away from them. But anyway, guys, tell me the conversation. What do you think about Toby? I mean, I feel like with Toby, she's a good person, guys. She was just happy to hear good to Magwabe. She's not longer leaving, but knowing Magwabe, guys, she will be saying that she's leaving. Even on season 9, she will always tell us, "Oh, I'm leaving," guys. We've been hearing so many times Magwabe saying that she's leaving. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.